This is just a quick video of me packaging elbow macaroni and spaghetti for long-term storage. There has been a pasta shortage over the last few months, along with shortage of many other items. I bought the pasta over a few months, not all at one time, to allow other people to also buy some. Some of the spaghetti I'm putting in buckets today I bought and vacuum packed back in mid-2020. Pasta will last on your shelf 3+ years in the box you get it in without a problem. Vacuum packing will extend its life for many more years. I'm using oxygen absorbers or mylar bags for long-term storage and hoping to get several decades of life out of it. You have to seal and store pasta a little differently than most other foods, as their hard and sharp edges will easily penetrate vacuum and mylar bags, causing leaks. Canning jars would work, but you would need a lot of jars to have a decent amount of pasta stored away. For spaghetti, I vacuum packed the pasta in 2 and 3 pound bags with a 200cc oxygen absorber, because those are the sizes I have right now. You could store more spaghetti loose in a 5-gallon mylar bag with oxygen absorbers, which I'll probably do next time. Another option is storing in 1-gallon mylar bags with oxygen absorbers and packing in a tote. After vacuum packing the spaghetti, I let them sit on the counter for a few days to see if any of them will cut through the bags, which a couple did. When they do, I cut off the top of the bag and vacuum pack again inside a second bag the same way. I place all the vacuum packed bags into 5-gallon mylar bag and buckets. Being vacuum packed already, they take up more space, and I can only fit 24 pounds of spaghetti into one bucket. Loose, I'd probably be able to get near 40 pounds of spaghetti inside one bucket. This is for deep storage, but if you can buy it cheap today and store it, you'll be saving money in the long run because of inflation. 24 pounds of spaghetti is 192 servings, which seems like a lot at first. Even with one person eating the 192 serving bucket, it will not go bad before you eat it all. If you have 6 people to feed, you will go through this bucket in only 1 month. Like I've shown on my other videos, I seal most of the bag with an iron and add oxygen absorbers. I'm putting in 3,000 cc's of oxygen absorbers because there will be a lot of dead air space after I seal the mylar bags. If the individual vacuum bags retain their seal, so much the better. If not, the atmosphere around them in the bucket will have had its oxygen removed too. When I vacuum and seal the mylar bags, I'm going to leave a little dead air space and not vacuum it down tightly as normal so the pasta doesn't damage the mylar bags. Make sure you label the bag and the bucket in multiple spots. For elbow macaroni, it's almost the exact same process, except I'm not going to vacuum pack it in bags beforehand. I'm just going to dump the 24 pounds of pasta inside a mylar bag in a 5-gallon bucket. Just like the other times, I'm going to seal most of the bag, leaving enough room to be able to fit oxygen absorbers in. I'm also sticking 3,000 cc's in these bags, as there's a lot of dead air space in the elbow macaroni. I'm not going to vacuum it down all the way, just like with the spaghetti, so the elbow macaroni doesn't tear up the mylar bags. For just a little bit of money and a small amount of work, you can use pasta to really help pad out your food storage.